Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Chevrolet Colorado. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with blacked out Chevrolet emblems, alloy rims, and Z71 package. We also have our rear privacy tint. On the inside we have our backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Now onto the interior, we can see we have our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, window and mirror controls, as well as our speaker and storage. Onto the interior, the seats are featured in black and gray leather with fabric in the lower portion. We have a padded leather center console lid, gear selection stock, as well as our cup holders, heated seat options, and an infotainment screen. We have a Bose speaker tweeter up top, and our gauge cluster with screen in the middle. Cruise control and radio settings on the steering wheel. It's also wrapped in black leather. Then off to the left we have our four-wheel drive controls and lighting settings. Back onto the exterior of the Colorado, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We also have our paint matched mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint, tonneau cover on the back, Z71 badging, and around to the back of the vehicle we have our blacked out Chevrolet emblem, paint matched bumper with bumper steps, Colorado V6 badging. On the rear interior we have our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Moving on to the inside, we have the same seats as the front, featured in the two-tone leather with fabric combination, fold-down center seat featuring two cup holders. Back of the front seats we have magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have storage as well as charging outlets. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.